Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. If you guys are new, appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video or go live. I'll be live Saturday at 9 p.m. Central Time. So TECH100 is part of the stock market. It did make a new all-time high yesterday, going up to about 23,843. And you can do this on 20x leverage, not financial advice, on BTCC exchange. That's BTC, but with two C's at the end. The exchange has been around for over a decade at this point, and I'm not promoting the exchange, but that's just where I know you can trade it up to 20x leverage. So say you have $1,000, you could almost get an entire coin right now. If you had $1,100, you would be able to get over one coin in a trade if you're using your whole account in a trade. Don't recommend that, but I'm just saying that's a good place to do it. So this is part of the stock market, part of the NASDAQ, and it is closed, I think, on the weekends for a few hours, not very long, maybe like just 36 hours or something on the weekends. But I see this right now getting a bounce here off support. If you don't bounce off 23,500, then I do see a move back down. It's gone pretty straight up after that. So your next support that I would see would probably be about 23.1, and then below that 22.5. So again, it's not new. It's on the 4-hour time frame though. We've been in a massive uptrend. So you would think if we can hold this trend line here at 23.3, then we can continue up. If we can't do that, you're probably going to come eventually roll over, and then you're due for a bigger dump. So we'll see what happens. The trend on the 4 hours has been very strong to the upside, but the second this trend line breaks, the one you have up right here, which I can draw, then it's very likely that the pump is over, and then you should be looking for a downside. The 1-hour time frame curving up on the stock RSI is a good sign. So we'll see what happens. It's kind of lackluster on the smaller time frames, so it's just something to have on your radar. It's just something you can trade. I'm a little bit worried right now. This is going to be around a top, so be very cautious. The 15-minute time frame is losing the 200-day moving average. Anytime that happens, then the next top will be the 30-minute, which you're basically on right now, and then the 1 hour coming in at 23.4. I could eventually see a dump coming here on TECH100, so be cautious. It's something I want to put on your radar. With that being said, guys, that's my update. I see this probably eventually rolling over. We're pretty extended, but I would really not short until the 4-hour loses the 200. If that happens, then you could short it down to the next 200 on the 6-hour and just keep going up to the higher time frames. At some point, it's going to get a big dump. I'll leave it at that. I see the dump probably about to start here if you lose this trend line. Now, if you don't lose the trend line, then you can just go long. But personally speaking, I'm not saying I'd short this right now, but if you lose a 4 or 200-day moving average, I would. I could see that happening sooner rather than later based on how much you've gone up. But I wouldn't front run it because it could continue the pump to the upside. That's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. The trend's your friend till the end, at least on the 4-hour time frame. As of right now, the trend is still holding up. You're above the 4-hour 200. I'll leave it at that. Have a great rest of your Thursday, everyone. Adios.